Welcome to your second episode of our new segment, Labor of Love, where we take you alongside several different departments at the City of Plano and show you what it takes to do various jobs here. Next up, Environmental Waste Services Technician. Let's get started. Today I'm shadowing Arthur Douglas, Doug for short. He's an environmental waste field technician. He's one of the guys swapping out your damaged trash cart for a new one or picking up your extras.
We're gonna wash out, clean them up, and then we have new lids over here.
Recycling the reusable carts is key.
Y'all ready to go out?
I'm
ready to do it.
Let's go. So this is how it goes. Doug is assigned carts to swap out or drop off at homes around Plano.
These are the district maps.
Doug says sometimes the carts are too heavy to pick up or maybe harboring unwanted visitors. Looks pretty good. Apart from the fact I can see outside of it. Of course, finding snakes or trash pandas doesn't happen often, but Doug has been doing this for a while now and knows all the tricks.
Before you pick the can up, go over there, kick it, shake it. One house had a dead cat in the trash can.
Don't tell me that, I love cats.
You know, and I'm like, why would you do that?
Yeah. Did you kick it?
There's nothing in here. That's good. Okay? You only really need
we gotta kick it.
No, listen to me. You only need to kick it if it's like in that grass, that's where they be at.
I'll
It's
kick them
concrete,
all.
They don't do it. Okay? You want to write this number down.
Me?
Where they could take this, I already wrote it down.
Darn it!
Where they could take this number out of service, this can. Then I'm gonna get up here, I'm gonna get you a new can. We're gonna write that number down where they can put that can in service.
Okay. He makes it look so easy. Back in the truck, Doug told me his storied past of the last 3 decades in Plano.
I feel like it really fits me.
Yeah?
You know, I just love it. The guy says left, they are, man, you're so hyped. You like that, don't you? And I goes, dude,
You're so hyped.
all my life I've worked hard.
Yeah.
If I before I started with the city, I did construction work.
Yep.
You know, so this is easy to me.
You paid your dues. While most of the stops are picking up cracked carts,
Got it?
got it. Some residents want extras.
Just a little smaller. Oh, it's so cute!
You want candy?
You got candy? You
Okay,
didn't
so
tell
let's
me
go.
there was candy in here.
Dang, it's good. You ever get scared you're gonna hit something in these alleys?
You know, I've been running so long, I know how far to go.
Every turn you make, I'm like, we're gonna hit. And we never do. I recently hit a parts car. It's okay. Sometimes carts need their wheels removed, so we're gonna bust out the hammer and recycle usable wheels.
You wanna hit that,
Just pop right off.
and it pops right off.
Okay. I didn't get much time with the hammer. Probably a good thing.
So you gotta do these like this.
Okay. Whoa! Nope.
Got it?
No. Starting at around 6 in the morning, Doug will get through a couple dozen carts a day. He's got the whole routine down. Knowing how to make his job easier also helps.
Now see what I mean? I try to keep that door closed.
Oh, no.
Now I gotta climb up there. See, the less you have to use, don't let the truck work you. You work the truck.
You worked that truck. Of course, this is a trashy job.
Oh, it's stinky. No, no, no.
Sometimes you'll run across some garbage bags, but don't let that deter you.
You wanna tilt it, turn your head, pick it up.
I forgot my gloves. Can't do that.
Just don't forget your gloves.
Okay, it's this one.
Ew, it's got trash in it too.
And it's got trash in it.
Come on. Nope. Nope.
Another thing Doug wants you to know about the job, you get 3 days off a week.
Watch it.
Whee! It's the end of the line for me.
Thank you, and it's nice work.
I don't want to touch your hand. You just touched trash.
Nice working with you.
That's it for episode 2. Stay tuned. We've got plenty more episodes to come. For now, this is Labor of Love. I'm Stacy Rogers. See you next time.
Come back and see us now, you hear?